Guys, so today we're going to start with the tutorial for making the soft shackle. First off, we'll have a piece of rope cut to the right size. Make sure that both the ropes are equal at each end, like this. We will then proceed to go into the middle of the rope. We'll open it up a little bit, get the fit, we'll put it through the middle, like this. From there, we will proceed to be making the first eye. We could use either side of the rope, this side or that side, completely up to you. We'll then take the rope, put it in the fit, and we'll pull it through, proceed in making the first eye, like that. So now you've got your first eye. We'll then proceed to making the second eye. Just something that you should always remember is that we've taken this rope and we've gone through this rope. So in order to lock it, we're going to take this one and go through this one. We don't want the distance to be too long, so we'll take about this. From there, we'll proceed to taking it, opening the rope again, taking your foot, pushing it through. You should be at this stage right now. And then take this piece of rope, put it in the foot, pull it through the other one. At this point, you have your two eyes. First eye and your second eye. To make sure that we are on the right track, that everything has been done correctly, please check. There will be one shorter length and there will be one longer length. The shorter length will then be buried into the longer length, and that will be your body of your soft shackle. Short length into the longer length. Note when you are going to bury it, we try and go as close as possible to the point, not too far. So then again, we'll open it up, fit again, we then put it through. We then take this piece, put it in the fit, and then we'll push it through. Note, you don't want to make your body too long, and then your tails for the knot is too short. We'll then come out of the fit, pull the rope out. At this point, your rope should be locking when you're pulling it like this. We then pull the rope down by milking it. First eye, second eye, and then your body. We would then proceed to go into our final lock. This rope over here has been buried to the other one. So we're going to take this one that's just been laying on this side and we're going to do the final lock. Note, yet again, we want to go in as close as possible. Final lock. First eye, second eye, body, final lock. Right. So at this moment in time, you should have a point like this and another point. So what we're going to do now is going to make an underbite and an overbite. One is under, one is over. You will then proceed by taking your underbite, going over your overbite, and locking it. This should be at the stage where you are now. We have a nice big loop. You then put your finger in the loop, pull some of the slack. Then we're going to go over the body and under the loop, and then through the loop. Doesn't look like much now, but it will be something at the end. We then proceed to making your eye smaller, pulling it through, and we're at this stage now. So you would see that they have two locks over here. We will then go next door to those two locks. There should be an opening like this. Take your foot, place it in there, bring this one around. Foot will make the hole open. Take your foot out, and then push it through the middle. At this point, you should be seeing your knot is starting to form. One in the middle, and the other one should be on the side like this. Like I said, guys, doesn't look like much now, but we're almost there. So, remember, we have these two locks over here. We're going to take our foot, push it through the middle, right next to the other rope. And then this one, this side, we're going to bring him right around. Take the foot out, put him in the middle. And you should have your soft shackle. So this is the format you will have. Note that it's not yet complete, as there is still a lot of slack inside the rope, or should I say inside the knot. So to get all the slack out and get your diamond knot as hard as possible, you take either ends, give it a little bit of a pull. There we go. So I've pulled this one. So what we're going to do is now we're going to start tracing it back all the way to the starting point. So we're tracing it, following it, and I've come to my starting point. This time I'll take the foot, I'll put it in, and start taking the slack out. Just as we traced it back to a starting point, we will now trace it back again, taking the slack out. Follow. We then take the final leg. As you can see, how all the slack is coming out. There we go. Then we would proceed to the next one. Again, same story. Pull on it. There we go. Trace it back. And I've got my starting point. Same thing I did on the other side, I'll do on this side as well. Take the slack out. Follow again. Follow again. And then again, see, as I'm pulling, I'll give another final pull. There we go, guys. Nice, round, hard, diamond knot, soft shackle.